is Mia, and basically I've been dying to do this video. Today is a Super Bowl, so yeah, go Patriots. So basically I'm going to be showing you some ways where you can get rid of your hiccups. And this is good because I have some. So let's get started. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Patriots. So my favorite way of getting rid of hiccups is by having some drink. And I mean, like, any choice of drink that you want. Basically, I chose Sprite. So all you have to do is take big gulps. And if that doesn't get it away, you just keep trying. Also, the other trick with the drink is first gargle it, then swallow it. It's so disgusting, but it works. I don't have the hiccups anymore. There's no point of doing this video. Just kidding. I am basically gonna keep doing this video. A myth is that you can scare your hiccups away. That's not really how it works. So, the way that it can work is just get some sleep. Also, sorry, fighting a cold. I'm going to school tomorrow though because I'm all better. Yeah. So, another way that you can get the third reason. Oh, I had two fingers up. The third reason, and the last way that you can get your hiccups away is basically try gargling some salt water. I never tried that before, but it helps. And if that doesn't work, then just gargle stuff and drink it. But don't do anything poisonous to yourself. Or just ask your adults how to get away hiccups. It's not to be ashamed of if you guys are like, oh my god, my mom is going to kill me, I got hiccups. Boy, it's natural. Just use it. Alright, so basically make sure you like, subscribe, and just like comment on my videos. And thanks for being here for me. Bye.